Welcome to Nuansa Art, your go-to channel for inspiring home design and interior ideas that transform spaces into personal sanctuaries. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic stone villas that seamlessly blend with nature's beauty, embodying the ultimate dream house goals. Imagine waking up in a home where ancient stones whisper stories of the earth, surrounded by lush greenery and serene landscapes that make every day feel like a retreat. These villas aren't just structures. They're harmonious extensions of the natural world, offering a perfect balance of timeless elegance and modern comfort. Whether you're dreaming of building your own haven or simply seeking inspiration for your next interior project, this video will guide you through the magic of rustic stone villas. We'll explore their design principles, materials, and how they integrate with the environment to create breathtaking living spaces. If you're passionate about home design like we are, hit that subscribe button now. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below sharing your favorite rustic element. Stone fireplaces, perhaps? Let's embark on this journey together and uncover how these villas can inspire your dream home. As we proceed, picture yourself strolling through vine-covered stone walls, feeling the cool earth underfoot, and breathing in the fresh air that these designs so effortlessly invite indoors. The allure lies in their ability to merge human craftsmanship with nature's raw beauty, creating spaces that are not only visually stunning, but also soul-soothing. From the rugged exteriors that mimic mountain cliffs to interiors warmed by natural light and organic textures, rustic stone villas represent a lifestyle choice for those who crave authenticity. In a world dominated by sleek modern lines, these villas stand out by embracing imperfection, cracked stones, uneven surfaces, and wild gardens that evolve with the seasons. This introduction sets the stage for a deeper exploration, reminding us that true luxury often comes from simplicity and connection to the earth. So, settle in, and let's discover why rustic stone villas are the pinnacle of dream house aspirations. Rustic stone villas have captivated homeowners for centuries, drawing from architectural traditions that prioritize durability and aesthetic harmony with the surroundings. The use of natural stone, such as limestone, granite, or fieldstone, gives these homes an ageless quality that weathers beautifully over time, developing a patina that enhances their charm. Unlike contemporary materials that can feel sterile, stone brings a sense of history and permanence, making each villa feel like a legacy passed down through generations. In our fast-paced world, this timeless appeal offers a respite, reminding us of simpler times when homes were built to last and blend into the landscape rather than dominate it. Picture a villa nestled in a forested hillside, its stone facade echoing the nearby rocks and boulders, creating an illusion that the house grew organically from the ground. This design philosophy not only elevates the visual impact, but also promotes sustainability, as stone is a low-maintenance material that requires minimal upkeep. Interior designers at Nuansa Art often recommend incorporating rustic stone to add warmth and texture, turning ordinary rooms into cozy retreats. The appeal extends beyond aesthetics. Stone's thermal properties help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping villas cool in summer and warm in winter, which aligns perfectly with eco-conscious living. As we delve deeper, consider how these villas inspire modern adaptations, where traditional stonework meets innovative features like solar-integrated roofs or rainwater harvesting systems embedded in stone walls. The rustic style isn't about rejection of modernity, but a thoughtful fusion that honors nature. Homeowners who choose this path often report a deeper connection to their environment, fostering mindfulness and well-being. In essence, the timeless appeal of rustic stone lies in its ability to evoke emotion, a sense of grounding, security, and beauty that transcends trends. For those pursuing dream house goals, starting with stone as the foundation ensures a home that's not just built, but truly lived in harmony with nature's rhythms. At the heart of rustic stone villas is the art of blending architecture with nature's beauty, creating spaces where man-made elements and the natural world coexist in perfect symphony. This integration begins with site selection, where villas are positioned to complement existing topography, perhaps perched on a cliffside or tucked into a valley, ensuring the structure enhances rather than disrupts the landscape. Designers employ techniques like using local stone sourced from nearby quarries, which minimizes environmental impact and ensures the villa's color palette matches the surrounding earth tones. Vines and moss are encouraged to grow over walls, softening edges and making the home appear as an extension of the forest or meadow. Windows are strategically placed to frame scenic views, flooding interiors with natural light and blurring the lines between inside and outside. Patios and terraces made from the same stone flow seamlessly into gardens, where native plants thrive, attracting wildlife and promoting biodiversity. This approach not only boosts curb appeal but also supports ecological balance, as permeable stone surfaces allow rainwater to replenish the soil. In our Nuansa Art explorations, we've seen how such blending fosters a lifestyle of tranquility, where residents can enjoy morning coffee amid birdsong or evening stargazing from stone balconies. Modern twists include green roofs covered in wildflowers that insulate the home and provide habitats for pollinators. The result is a villa that feels alive, evolving with the seasons, blooming in spring, vibrant in summer, golden in autumn, and serene in winter. This harmonious design reduces the need for artificial landscaping, saving resources while amplifying natural beauty. For dream house enthusiasts, embracing this blend means creating a sanctuary that nurtures the soul, where every stone tells a story of unity with the earth. It's a reminder that true luxury is found in sustainability and connection, turning a house into a living, breathing part of the ecosystem. The exterior of rustic stone villas is a masterpiece of design features that prioritize rugged elegance and natural integration. Starting with the facade, irregular stone blocks are meticulously arranged to mimic the randomness of nature, often incorporating accents like wooden beams or wrought iron details for added texture. Roofs might feature slate tiles or thatched elements, sloping gently to shed rain while echoing the contours of nearby hills. Entryways are grand yet inviting, with arched doorways framed by climbing ivy, leading to cobblestone paths that wind through landscaped gardens. Windows, often mullioned with wooden frames, allow glimpses into the warm interiors while providing unobstructed views of the outdoors. Balconies and verandas extend the living space, constructed from weathered stone slabs that overlook valleys or forests, perfect for alfresco dining. Sustainable features like rain chains directing water from gutters to stone basins add both functionality and charm. Lighting plays a crucial role. Subtle lanterns or solar-powered fixtures highlight stone textures at night, creating a magical ambience. In Nuansa Art's design inspirations, we emphasize how these exteriors withstand elements. Stone's resistance to wind, fire, and pests ensures longevity. Color variations in stone, from earthy grays to warm ochres, allow customization to match regional aesthetics, whether Mediterranean-inspired or Alpine style. Additional elements like stone fountains or retaining walls integrate water features, enhancing serenity with the sound of trickling streams. These designs encourage outdoor living, with fire pits surrounded by stone seating for gatherings under the stars. Ultimately, the exterior sets the tone for the entire villa, inviting visitors into a world where architecture bows to nature's grandeur. For those chasing dream house goals, focusing on these features means crafting a home that's as resilient as it is beautiful, a testament to thoughtful design that stands the test of time. Inside rustic stone villas, interior elements draw directly from nature's palette, creating warm, inviting spaces that feel like an extension of the outdoors. Exposed stone walls serve as focal points, their textured surfaces adding depth and character, often accented with wooden shelves displaying natural artifacts like driftwood or pressed flowers. Flooring might combine flagstone with wide plank hardwood, grounding the space while providing underfoot warmth. Kitchens feature stone countertops in granite or soapstone, paired with open shelving and farmhouse sinks, evoking a sense of rustic functionality perfect for preparing meals from garden-fresh ingredients. Living rooms center around massive stone fireplaces, where crackling fires provide heat and ambience, surrounded by plush seating in earth-toned fabrics like linen or wool. Bedrooms emphasize tranquility with stone-accented headboards and large windows that invite morning light, complemented by bedding in soft, organic materials. Bathrooms transform into spa-like retreats with stone vessel sinks, pebble-tiled showers, and freestanding tubs overlooking private gardens. Lighting fixtures, such as wrought iron chandeliers or lantern-style sconces, cast a soft glow that highlights natural imperfections in the stone. At Nuansa Art, we love how these elements promote biophilic design, incorporating plants like ferns or succulents to purify air and enhance well-being. Sustainable choices, like reclaimed wood beams or recycled glass accents, add eco-friendly layers. Color schemes stay neutral, beiges, grays, and greens, to mirror the external landscape, fostering a calming atmosphere. Storage solutions blend seamlessly, with built-in stone niches for books or decor. This interior approach not only maximizes space, but also encourages mindfulness, as every detail reconnects occupants with nature. For dream house seekers, these elements turn daily living into an art form, where comfort meets authenticity in a space that's uniquely personal and eternally inspiring. Sustainability is a cornerstone of rustic stone villas, with materials and practices that honor the environment while ensuring long-term viability. Natural stone, harvested responsibly from local sources, reduces transportation emissions and supports regional economies. Builders prioritize low-impact quarrying methods to minimize habitat disruption. Wood elements come from certified sustainable forests, treated with non-toxic sealants to preserve indoor air quality. Insulation often incorporates natural fibers like sheep's wool or cork, providing excellent thermal efficiency without synthetic chemicals. Solar panels integrated into stone roofs harness renewable energy, powering the villa while maintaining aesthetic integrity. Water conservation features, such as graywater systems recycling shower runoff for irrigation, are embedded in stone plumbing fixtures. Rain gardens surrounded by permeable stone paths prevent erosion and recharge groundwater. In interiors, eco-friendly paints and finishes free from VOCs enhance health benefits. Nuansa Art highlights how these practices extend to furnishings. Upcycled stone tables or benches from reclaimed materials add unique stories to the home. Composting areas built into stone-enclosed gardens turn waste into nutrient-rich soil for organic vegetable plots. Energy-efficient windows with double glazing reduce heating needs, complemented by passive solar design that positions stone masses to absorb and radiate heat. This holistic approach not only lowers utility bills but also mitigates climate impact, making rustic villas models of green living. Homeowners benefit from certifications like LEED, which validate their eco-commitment. As global awareness grows, these sustainable choices become essential for dream houses, blending luxury with responsibility. By choosing such villas, one invests in a future where homes nurture the planet, proving that beauty and sustainability can coexist seamlessly. This dedication ensures the villa remains a haven for generations, its stone walls standing as guardians of environmental stewardship. Cozy living spaces in rustic stone villas are designed to envelop residents in comfort, fostering intimate gatherings and personal reflection amid nature's embrace. Central to this is the Great Room, where vaulted ceilings with exposed stone and timber beams create an airy yet snug atmosphere, ideal for family movie nights or reading by the window. Sectional sofas and soft, textured fabrics invite lounging, arranged around a stone hearth that serves as the heart of the home. Kitchens flow openly into dining areas, with stone islands providing ample space for meal prep and casual conversations, equipped with modern appliances disguised in rustic cabinetry. Bedrooms offer retreats with stone-accented fireplaces and built-in window seats overlooking verdant views, promoting restful sleep. Home offices integrate seamlessly, featuring stone desks and ergonomic seating that blend productivity with serenity. Outdoor living spaces extend coziness, like covered stone porches with hammocks swaying in the breeze. Lighting layers, from ambient sconces to task lamps, enhance mood, while rugs over stone floors add warmth underfoot. At Nuansa Art, we advocate for personal touches like handmade pottery or woven baskets to infuse character. Multifunctional furniture, such as stone-topped ottomans with storage, maximizes usability in compact areas. Acoustic design, leveraging stone's sound-absorbing qualities, ensures peaceful environments free from external noise. These spaces adapt to lifestyles, whether hosting holidays or quiet evenings. Sustainability shines through with energy-efficient heating systems that maintain consistent coziness. Ultimately, cozy living in these villas nurtures emotional well-being, turning houses into homes filled with memories. For dream seekers, prioritizing coziness means creating versatile areas that evolve with needs, all while harmonizing with nature's beauty. Outdoor integration in rustic stone villas elevates the dream house experience by weaving landscaping into the architectural fabric, creating fluid transitions between home and nature. Terraces paved with matching stone extend from living rooms, furnished with weather-resistant seating for seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Gardens feature native wildflowers and shrubs that attract pollinators, bordered by low stone walls that guide paths without imposing barriers. Water elements like stone-lined ponds or streams add auditory delight, reflecting the villa's facade in rippling surfaces. Pergolas draped in vines provide shaded retreats, supported by stone pillars that echo the home's structure. Vegetable patches integrated into the landscape offer fresh produce, enclosed by rustic stone fencing for protection. Lighting paths with solar stone lanterns ensures safe navigation at dusk, enhancing evening ambience. In Nuansa Art designs, we emphasize biodiversity, planting trees that provide fruit and shade, while stone benches invite contemplation amid blooms. Fire features, such as circular stone pits, become focal points for social gatherings under starlit skies. Sustainable irrigation from collected rainwater keeps landscapes lush without waste. Play areas for children incorporate natural stone climbers and sand pits, blending fun with the environment. This integration promotes health benefits, encouraging outdoor activities that reduce stress and boost vitamin D. Seasonal changes are celebrated, with stone elements framing autumn foliage or spring blossoms. For eco-conscious homeowners, these designs minimize maintenance through xeriscaping with drought-tolerant plants. Overall, outdoor integration transforms the villa into a holistic sanctuary where nature isn't just viewed but lived. Pursuing such goals means investing in landscapes that grow with the home, fostering a deep-rooted connection to the earth. Drawing inspiration from real-world examples, rustic stone villas around the globe showcase innovative ways to blend with nature's beauty, fueling dream house aspirations. In Tuscany, Italy, ancient stone farmhouses renovated with modern amenities feature terracotta roofs and olive groves that merge villa and vineyard seamlessly. Provence, France, offers lavender-surrounded stone cottages with shuttered windows and herb gardens, embodying romantic rusticity. Closer to home, in the American Rockies, lodges built from local granite incorporate massive fireplaces and log accents, overlooking pine forests. Scandinavian examples in Norway use slate and timber for fjordside villas, with saunas opening to icy waters. In Asia, Japanese-inspired stone ryokans blend zen gardens with tatami interiors, promoting minimalism. Australian outback villas use sandstone to harmonize with red deserts, featuring verandas for wildlife viewing. Each example highlights adaptability. Urban adaptations in cities like Barcelona repurpose historic stone buildings into eco-lofts with rooftop meadows. Nuansa Art draws from these to suggest customizations, like adding geothermal heating in colder climates or monsoon-resistant designs in tropics. Celebrated architects like Frank Lloyd Wright influenced this style with his Falling Water, where stone cantilevers over streams. Modern projects, such as eco-resorts in Costa Rica, use volcanic stone for open-air villas amid rainforests. These inspirations prove versatility, from budget-friendly renovations to luxurious builds. Homeowners can replicate elements like stone mosaic patios or wildflower meadows. Sustainability shines in off-grid examples powered by wind and solar. Exploring these fuels creativity, showing how cultural contexts shape rustic designs. For dream chasers, studying real-world villas provides blueprints for personalization, ensuring your home reflects global beauty while staying true to local nature. As we wrap up our exploration of rustic stone villas blending with nature's beauty on Nuansa Art, it's clear these homes represent the pinnacle of dream house goals, timeless, sustainable, and profoundly connected to the earth. From their rugged exteriors that echo landscapes to interiors brimming with cozy, natural elements, these villas offer a blueprint for living in harmony with the world around us. We've journeyed through design features, materials, and real-world inspirations that make them not just dwellings, but sanctuaries for the soul. Whether nestled in mountains, forests, or meadows, they remind us that true elegance lies in simplicity and respect for nature. If this video has sparked ideas for your own home design or interior project, remember to subscribe to Nuansa Art for more inspiring content on transforming spaces. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment below with your thoughts. What aspect of rustic stone villas excites you most? Your engagement helps us create more videos tailored to your passions. As you envision your dream house, consider how incorporating stone and natural blends can elevate everyday life into something extraordinary. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep dreaming big and designing with heart. May your home always reflect the beauty of nature, just like these enchanting villas.